Hello, Dansique Fitness family. Welcome back. For those of you who are new, I'm Desiree, and today I have a fabulous 10-minute HIIT style workout for you. During these HIIT style workouts, I really want you to push yourself by moving as quickly as you can, but remember, form is the most important thing. And because this workout is geared towards beginners, of course, I will be informing you of proper form techniques. Okay, here is demonstration for exercise number 1. We're going to start with the legs hip width apart, feet flexed, heels driving into the floor, belly button is scooped, tailbone is tucked under, and we're in that half roll back position, pressing those shoulders down, rooting the fingertips into the floor. Let's alternate by crunching our knees in towards our chest. I like to exhale to bring the knee in and inhale to lower the heel down. All right, let's get our timer set. We're going to go 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Here we go, friends. And we are off. Nice big exhale as the knee crunches in, and inhale to lower the heel down. Good. 25 seconds left. Stay nice and strong, no extra movement. And again, just really focus on pulling your belly button in and up and keeping that tailbone tucked under so we don't have any lower back pain. 10 seconds, you can do it. Nice work. All right, take your 20-second rest and let me show you exercise 2. Legs are long. We're in that same half roll back position. We're going to take a twist and then 2 pulses down. Twist and 2 pulses down. And go for it. Make sure you're really twisting from the waist in that twist, really opening up the chest. And then as you pulse down, once again, really keep that belly scooped and the tailbone tucking under. 20 seconds. Legs are long, shoulders down. Ten seconds. Good, make sure you're breathing deep, just breathe naturally. Very nice. All right, take another 20-second rest. And for exercise 3, we're going to flip over in a forearm plank and just alternate tapping our knees down to the floor. No extra movement. And go for it. Elbows should be directly under the shoulders. And you really just want to make your body as horizontal as possible. It really should be parallel to the floor. So don't stick that booty up in the air. Don't dip your hips down. Really engage in those core muscles. 15 seconds. You can do it. Make sure you're breathing. Very nice. Let's flip it over for the next one and let's do our dead bug exercise. We're on the backs, reaching the arms up, legs are in a tabletop position, and we're just going to extend opposite arm and leg, only lowering your leg down as far as your core can support. And go for it. Really making sure that you're pressing your back into the mat the whole time. We don't want to arch the back. We don't want to open up the rib cage. Tummy muscles working. And we're just striving for the longest line from fingertips to toes. Beautiful. 15 seconds. So good. All right, take your 20-second rest. Up next, let's get our obliques working. And we'll go into our heel taps. Reaching for the heels, bending side to side, exhaling on each bend. And go for it. Legs and feet are about hip width apart. Try to keep your legs nice and still, just the upper body moves. And if you need the support, you can always place your hand behind your head and just keep alternating arms. Looking good, guys. Keep going. Stay strong. 20 seconds left. Good. 10 seconds. Stay strong. Woo! All right, already really feeling the burn. Okay, double leg drops are next. We're gonna place the hands underneath our bottom. Legs are long and externally rotated. Pilates stance, heels together, toes apart. And we're just lowering the legs down and lifting them up. You have two options. You can crunch up nice and high, lifting your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat, or you can just leave your head down on the floor. I like to crunch up because I feel like it's a lot easier for me to keep my lower back pressing into the floor in this crunched up position. And that's exactly what we want. We don't want the back to arch. Very important. 15 seconds. I like to inhale on the down, exhale on the up, but just as long as you're breathing, that's the most important thing. There's no wrong way to breathe. Good, and take your rest. All right, moving right along, flipping over, we're gonna get into a hovering tabletop. So tucking the toes under, lifting the knees and shins off the floor, step back to your high plank, step back into your hover, and then just gently lower the knees down and start it up again. Good. Tummy muscles working, really pulling the belly button up towards the spine. No cheating in this plank pose. Feel your body nice and level, nice and horizontal. Beautiful. Don't give up. 10 seconds. Really good. All right, stick with me. Seated twists are next. Feet are in a nice wide stance, and we're just going to twist side to side. Again, I like to always exhale on any kind of twist or bend. And go for it. We're back in that half roll back position. So as long as you're scooping your belly and tucking your tailbone under, you shouldn't have any lower back pain. Shoulders down. Really keep twisting from the waist. Try to keep those legs still. 20 seconds. Good. Keep going. Smiling helps. 10 seconds left. Nice. Woo! Feel the burn. All right, we got two more. Stick with me. Onto the backs, one of my favorites. Star crunches. Opening the limbs into a big star and then just rolling up into a cute little ball. And stretch the limbs long, keeping your lower back pressing into the mat. And then as you roll up into your cute little ball, just make your body as compact as possible. Hands go on the shins. And just round nice and tight, tight, tight. Beautiful. I like to inhale in the star and exhale in my tight little ball. 10 seconds. You got this. Yes! Yes, amazing. All right, here's your last break, and here's your last exercise. We're gonna go back to our forearm plank, and we're just going to hold this plank pose. And go for it. Elbows under the shoulders. Just keep gazing at your mat. Feel your body parallel to the floor. Close your eyes if you want. Just breathe deep. Smile. Think happy thoughts. You're almost done. Don't give up on me. Finish nice and strong. We got 20 seconds left. Stay, stay, stay. Good. 10 seconds. You can do it. Yes! And you are done. Nice job, everybody. Remember, practice makes progress. Don't forget to give yourself a huge hug for doing something so amazing for your body and mind. I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye, everybody.